In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the HTML of an email you sent from Hubspot. In order to do that, you first need to head over into your actual Hubspot account. Now, once you're in there, you just need to locate the content option and then locate the email. You can also head over to marketing because some cases it's actually found there. So click on the email right here. Now in here, just choose the email that you want to edit. I'll head over and choose right here this email itself. Click on this in order to view this. Now into this option, you can actually view its HTML. Click on this Display Options, and you can input right here the modules, the sections, and likes. You can also see right here the automation as well as the template design as well as other options right here. Alternatively, you can click on Actions, click on this View Details. After that, you can see right here its details, you can see the status and links. So to get its HTML, you can just click on this web version in order to get its source. That's it for this quick tutorial. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.